Children learn and develop English literacy skills from round about towards the end of primary 3, and they start off with doing reading and progress to doing some writing.
We believe firmly that immersion is the best way to teach a language, any language, and I think worldwide studies have shown that if a child is fully immersed in the language at an early age, they're able to listen, they're able to play, it becomes natural, they have a goal, they're not afraid to get things wrong as adults are. So it's in a play setting, it's fun, they're comfortable, and Gaelic is around them all the time. And it takes a wee while for them sometimes to use their Gaelic, they're acquiring a lot of language, and then eventually it's just lovely to see them start to play with each other and to interact with each other and to use their language naturally without being pushed to do so.